Hello students, good evening. Now I am going to explain you trigonometry 2 topic. Last class I explained you in a right angle triangle when angle B is 90 degrees, angle B opposite side AC is hypotenuse, and when angle C is theta, the opposite side AB and adjacent side is BC. And sin theta is the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse AB by AC. Cos theta is ratio of BC and AC adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta is the ratio of opposite and adjacent, that is AB by BC, and the reciprocals of cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, which are reciprocals for sin, cos and tan thetas. Now today's class I'll explain you about the same right angle triangle ABC. Right angle is at a point at B and angle C is theta. Then what is angle A? By using sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees, angle A will be 90 minus theta. Now what is opposite side of 90 minus theta? BC is opposite side and AB segment is adjacent side to 90 minus theta. And what is AC? As usual, it is longest side of right angle triangle, which is a hypotenuse. Now what is sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta, I told you what is sin. It is the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse, BC by AC. And what is cos 90 minus theta? It is the ratio of adjacent and hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. And what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta is the ratio of opposite and adjacent, that is BC by AB. And the remaining cosec theta, sec theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta and cot 90 minus theta are reciprocals of sin, cos and tan theta. And those are AC by BC, AC by AB and AB by BC. Now what we identify, our identification, we identified that the ratio of AB by AC, you observe here, AB by AC is sin theta, and in the same case AB by AC is cos 90 minus theta, means the ratio of AB and AC is sin theta, which is nothing but cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Now I'll explain you trigonometric identities. As we know, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees, AC is hypotenuse, and by using Pythagoras theorem, do you know what is Pythagoras theorem? By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to the longest side of a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, AB square plus BC square. Now divide AC square on both sides. By dividing AC square on both sides, we will get AC square by AC square is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Now AC square by AC square is 1. Now what is AB by AC? You observe here. AB by AC is nothing but sin theta. What is AB by AC? Sin theta. And AB by AC whole square is sin square theta plus, what is BC by AC? BC by AC is cos theta. So BC square by AC square is nothing but cos square theta. So the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now second identity. As we know Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now divide, this time divide AB square on both sides. So I'll get here AC square by AB square is equal to AB square by AB square, each and every term divide by AB square, plus BC square by AB square. So what is AC square by AB square? AC by AB, you observe here. Already I told you what is AC by AB? Cosecant theta. What is AC by AB? Cosecant theta. So AC square by AB square is cosecant square theta is equal to AB square by AB square is 1. 1 plus what is BC square by AB square? BC by AB is cot theta. So BC square by AB square is cot square theta. This is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is our second identity. Similarly for identity 3, take again Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this time you divide BC square on both sides. We'll get here AC square by BC square is equal to AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square. So AC by BC is equal to secant theta, AC by BC. So AC square by BC square means secant square theta is equal to AB square by BC square. AB by BC is tan theta. So AB square by BC square is tan square theta plus BC square get to cancel by one time, so plus 1. So the third identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is third identity. Students, I'll stop this class now. So if you like, please like and share my class and subscribe my channel to continue the next classes. Thank you, ma.